Hello folks, this is Aditya from Untitled and today we are going to talk about the Honor 9s smartphone. I'm going to showcase an unboxing for the same and tell you all about the smartphone and also whether it's a worth buying smartphone or not at the great pricing that it retails for. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the Honor 9s. This is the official box for the smartphone. It comes in two colors, blue and black. We had the black unit and inside you get this smartphone which comes with a polycarbonate body. It's very lightweight smartphone and you also get the SIM tray ejector tool on the inside along with the normal micro USB charger for this one, which is not a fast charger. The smartphone has the camera bump at the back which also houses the flash unit and the microphone. Honor branding at the back, power button and the volume rocker are both on the right hand side. It's just 144 grams and it's really lightweight, 8.35 mm thin, a really handy smartphone. Comes with a 5.45 inch HD plus display, which is an okay display. It's a budget smartphone, so don't expect anything spectacular from the smartphone. It's a good enough smartphone for your day-to-day usage like WhatsApp, etc. You get 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, get dual SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot. Comes with a Helio P22 chipset on the inside and it comes with Magic UI which is based on Android 10. It does not come with Google applications, and as Huawei had been banned by Trump, the only source of new applications is App Gallery and Petal Search. App Gallery does have access to almost all of the great applications that you might need for your daily day-to-day usage, but anything which uses Google Play services won't run on the smartphone, so that's a word of caution. So something like Uber might not run, but a lot of other apps would run, and there's also the Petal Search which allows you to search for great applications directly from Petal Search, and you can sideload some applications from different third-party sources like APK Pure. When it comes to payment and UPI applications, Paytm and PhonePe do run on the smartphone, and if you're somebody who watches YouTube a lot, there is TubeMate and SnapTube. It comes with a 3020 mAh battery which is good enough for your normal day-to-day usage, but if you're somebody who's going to push this smartphone to its limits, it will definitely not last the whole day. And now let's do a sound check. The speaker on this one is the earpiece module itself. So the sound comes from the earpiece module. It's not really the best in class, but it's okay enough to get your job done. And at this price, we are not complaining. It comes with an 8 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The camera modules on this smartphone are good enough for your normal day-to-day usage, and they do shine in daylight performance situations and give you good detail. But as soon as the lighting drops, the images become grainy with a lot of noise, but in decent lighting conditions the pictures come out fine. They don't have proper HDR support, but still in well lit conditions you can get usable photographs from the smartphone. If you are going to game a lot, you can download PUBG from the official site and play it via using GFX tool and reducing all of the settings to absolutely lowest possible limits, and then the game becomes slightly playable. But I won't recommend this smartphone for playing PUBG at all because it's not really a highly powered smartphone. At a price of around 64.99 rupees for the initial starting price for this smartphone, which might be the introductory price and may change later, I believe that this is a good smartphone for a lot of people. But if you're somebody who's going to use any app which uses Google apps in order to run, Google Play services in order to run, you might be in for a surprise because then those apps won't work on the smartphone. But as a normal day-to-day multimedia usage smartphone, a basic smartphone, a secondary smartphone just for running WhatsApp, etc., it works really fine. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. Guys, do let me know in the comment section below which other things would you want me to cover on this channel, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.